Hotel Excelente nel Cuore di Seattle. Hotel Centralissimo, in Palazzo Storico e Conternian style, Gentlemen's Club dell'800, servito molto bene di mezzi pubblici. Personale molto efficient, camere comode in perfette condizioni. Potrebbe arrivare un po' di rumore di traffico se avete la camera ad un piano basso e siete sulla strada principale. Unico contro, il costo del parcheggio, soprattutto in settimana, ma è unica caratteristica di tutta la città. Experience luxury and history at the Arctic Club Seattle. Welcome to the Arctic Club Seattle, a 4-star hotel that seamlessly blends luxury and history in the heart of downtown Seattle. Step into a world of elegance and charm as you enter this beautifully restored landmark building, originally built in 2008 and last renovated in 2009. With its stunning architecture, rich history, and impeccable service, the Arctic Club Seattle offers a truly unforgettable experience. Check-in at the Arctic Club Seattle begins at 4 p.m., allowing you to settle in and start your stay in style. As you make your way to your room, you'll be captivated by the hotel's historic ambience, with its grand lobby adorned with marble, brass, and beautiful artwork. The hotel boasts a total of 120 rooms, each meticulously designed to provide the utmost comfort and luxury for every guest. When it's time to bid farewell to the Arctic Club Seattle, checkout is until 11 a.m. Take your time to savor the last moments of your stay, perhaps enjoying a leisurely breakfast at the hotel's exquisite restaurant or taking advantage of the state-of-the-art fitness center. The Arctic Club Seattle ensures that every aspect of your stay is taken care of, from the moment you arrive until the moment you depart. Please note that the Arctic Club Seattle has a child policy in place. Children are not allowed to stay free of charge, and there may be additional charges for their accommodation. For more information regarding the child policy and any associated fees, we recommend contacting the hotel directly. Embrace the luxury, history, and impeccable service that await you at the Arctic Club Seattle, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Unwind and indulge at the Arctic Club Seattle's entertainment facilities. At the Arctic Club Seattle, guests are treated to an array of entertainment facilities that promise to make their stay truly unforgettable. Whether you're looking to unwind after a long day of exploring the vibrant city of Seattle or simply want to indulge in some leisurely activities, this hotel has got you covered.